Sup, friends? Good morning. Let's go. Smash the like button on the stream. Let's get ready to do this. All right, new release today. Have some fun playing with it, checking out the new feature. All right, S&P on the rise. Market's looking pretty good. I don't hate it. It's been a fun couple of trading days. Small account challenge continues back on the streak. Today we have small news day. Nothing really too crazy. It's gonna be like a slow news so we can general PPI tomorrow. Thursday is a big dog. CPI, we know Thursday. Possible golden, BLU, yep. You can probably get up the good old golden setup today, be nice. Excuse me. I'm still coughing a little bit. I've had this cough for like 2 months. All right, let's see the new. Oh wait, are we on Twitter Spaces today? Oh shit, that's today. Man, I need to get better at checking my calendar. I'm on Spaces. Ugh. Oops. Yeah, VIX needs to be below triple B for the fullest effect of golden so I can hit it hard. Like out the door, like right on the spot. But even with the VIX being in that position that it's in now, what that means is just I gotta know I'm expecting volatility. So if I hit it hard, I might can get a little bit of drawdown, a little bit more choppiness to go with it. Let's check out the new risk interval. Apparently you can enter tickers and delete tickers. Ooh. All right, so I'm not going to be trading Australian dollar futures or New Zealand futures or Bitcoin futures. Oh, that is so nice. Just add what I want. I'll play with this later. That's Brazil. Cool. You can add your tickers here. Nice. So you can now customize your risk interval list, which is good. I do like that.
Which really limits the upside for any particular day, especially if we poke below hedge pressure. So it would be nice to see at least one day above hedge pressure in a bull zone. So that's what I'm watching for. And if that is indeed the case, I'll look to also put on some 0-day quick credit spreads and let the market do its thing. Thanks, Ashton. Sure. What are you looking at today, man? How you doing? Hey, good morning. How are you? Thanks for having me. I'm pretty good, man. I'm enjoying this beautiful day. What are you looking at in the market today?
Oh.
Yeah, well, looks like we really didn't do anything overnight. Just kind of stuff.
I forgot to turn the music on. It's playing a random playlist song. I like that song. However, when you're streaming, you can't just play random playlist song because then you get copyright strikes. Wait, is this the... Okay, let's get ready to go. Market's opening in 3 minutes. Nothing big. CPI week. CPI on Thursday. I think I need to reboot my graphics driver. I'm a little flickering here. I mean, reboot my computer. My graphics driver is a little funky. 7 in 2 minutes to see how we get. Kind of opening in the middle of DD bands. Market's looking solid and clean. You're prepped and ready to go. I like it. Everybody smash that like button, please, friends. All right. I'm gonna count to 10. You gotta hit that like button. Ratio has to be 50%. We'll start streaming every day. Every day. I'll be talking on space in a minute. What's up? What's up? Jared, possible golden setup. First year for trading through Rocket Scooter. Edge Clear is very helpful setting it up. Oh, very nice. Very, very nice. Hit that like button, y'all, on the stream. We love y'all. It's ready to go. 2 minutes to get started. I'm on spaces today because I'm going to be in and out a little bit. There's tons of thin structure in the market that could potentially be pretty easy for the bears to push through. So that's what I will be watching really those Friday highs around the 431 area, maybe a little bit lower, 430.75. And if that does start to happen, we do see something acceptance under that level. I would be looking for further downside of the top line. I'm very curious to see about how it will accelerate specific structure. Thank you for that detailed analysis. Let's get it going. See out the door. It's strong resilience. Push it. All right, let's get a little spot here. Oh, we're outside the band. Okay, cool. Let me get a teaser position. I'll add more at the band, add more in the middle. Resilience, a really solid spot. Really brilliant minds. You're definitely going to want on your timeline. So please share out the space, give everyone a follow up here. I promise you won't regret it. Right now it is 9:30. Market's just opening. Opening green, barely green, not much. And as Shark alluded to, not too much. Teaser spot here. A little bit move up, a little bit move down, and we're kind of opening fairly neutral here on our Rocket Scooter platform. We're waiting to pull in our hedged pressure data. Okay, so resilience still good. Add more at the box. Let's see. Oh yeah. All right, I got him a little too heavy though. All right, let me see if I get lucky here at the middle. Resilience is right at 10. So keep an eye on resilience. Might pull back. I'm looking for here. Perfect setup. But oh, I just have 8. That's not a big deal. That's good. Wish I only had 5 though. All right, here we go. Y'all know the plan. Here. So easy today. Pretty good, guys. Welcome to the spaces, by the way. We have a strong resilience reel on the S&P, which is the gap fill predictor. We are gapped up, and this is going to predict a gap and go as long as resilience stays above 0. It's looking hot. It took a long right out the door. I'm going to double down at hedge pressure, 432. The SPY could run up another 25, 30 points today. Now, this is pre-CPI, so we got a couple more days until then. So the market's likely going to do some pre-positioning. We've been retracing the mean all of this selling off pressure that we've had last couple of months. I think that it still has power to go today for that, but we always know CPI is that big deciding factor today. So everything's looking clean. There's no problems in the VIX. There's no problems in QQQ. Everything is pretty solid today for at least some slow drift up. So 433, 432, these are support areas for the S&P. It's probably going to continue to trade higher. I don't really have any fears of this market. You know, we have this number called the DD ratio we've been looking at. It shows the percent of market cap stuck in bull territory. This gets positive gamma hedging, positive delta hedging. So this number has been 80-90% even through the sell-off the last couple of months. So we've just been selling off in a bull market, not really turning super bearish in the bear market. So you can see how sensitive the market is to retrace to mean even on the way down. So you can, so folks out there that are trying to trade markets like this, you know, there's sometimes a difference between just because a month or two down in a bull market. A lot of times people get eager to think it's a bear market, but the indicator we have has shown a strong bull market even through the sell-off. So today, this DD ratio is 98%. All stocks are back. So we'll see how this turns out. It's looking great. So I'm long out the door, at least for my position. S&P futures. So
Yeah, thanks for that analysis, man. It's looking pretty decent today, like you said. So, the
y'all
only
know this resilience mode 2 resilience on the box.
a decent setup for the day.
It's pretty simple.
What's going on, brother?
Right here, box support check. Box support check. I'll be able to dig in right here, dig in at hedge pressure. This is like the easiest, pretty much the easiest setup in the world, right? Easy, easy, easy. It doesn't get any better than this. Easy. Easy. I mean, I'm just, y'all saw how it works? I took a long off of resilience being 30-40. I liked it. We're outside the box. I took a small long. As soon as we hit the box, I doubled down. Any questions? Ahoy there. What's up? Yeah, sure. So what we actually do in our technology is we look in the options landscape of all options that exist and filter it heavily for what our algorithm believes is an option that belongs to a hedge to neutral trade, like a market maker option. And so what it does is throw out the majority of the junk that's just, you know, speculative options, way out of the money and things like that. And we isolate what's called a bull zone and a bear zone. If you think about it, if there's a casino in the middle and there's a bull betting against a bear, we're looking at the trades individually, the bull betting against the casino and the bear betting against the casino, because we're mapping out where the casino is positioned. That way we can reverse engineer where everyone else is positioned against them, right? So bull zone is when the positions are stuck so far in call territory that it's going to get this native pressure of longing to balance, you know, it's called delta hedging. So when calls go in the money, the person that sold the calls has to buy, right, some of the shares just to match the delta or in case they get exercised on. So being stuck in call territory means that that stock or that thing is going to just get some native long pressure, just like a wind that's constantly blowing. And so this is a percent of market cap of the S&P that is in bull territory divided by the total of bull plus bear. And it's 96% right now. So it means almost every single stock in the S&P market cap weighted is stuck in bull territory. So if all human traders took their hands off the button, the robots would just natively be blowing like a gentle wind to push it up, if that makes any sense at all. So it's percent in bull territory. And that it shows strength in the longer term. And that number is great for like months at a time. You know, it doesn't just flip negative or positive really quickly. It takes months for that to roll into bear territory. As a matter of fact, this year, we've only seen it less than 50% 2 days, and it barely fell below 50. And that's to show the strength of the bull market we've had. It's my main bias indicator, yeah.
I was gonna say that DD ratio is actually really great to not get too caught up with a bias. I would like to say.
Ideally, I'd like to dip to hedge pressure.
Guys, if that's not interesting to you guys, then check out Rocket Scooter if you want. I just pinned it to the top of the space. $19.99 for your first month if you want to give it a shot. So give that a look.
So I'm here. I'd love to be in like full position here. The DD.
Good morning. Right now I'm just kind of watching, man. I've been noticing something when we ever open kind of flat, usually these
This is the scary part.
names around the market that open higher than the S&P
That's the part we got to see.
kind of drug down just a little.
Let's run Qs really quick. VIX. Oh shit. VIX does have a spot in the middle. We're getting some volatility right here. So everybody have to keep an eyeball on this little level. We're right there for volatility.
20-ish. That's around where we closed yesterday to buy.
Okay, let's double check Qs really quick. Everybody, if you don't mind, you guys are here. Smash that like button, friends and family. Make sure you hit that algorithm. Give it some love. If you don't mind helping us out.
You know what's funny? You said 432.20. Our hedge pressure on SPY today is 432, so that actually lines up pretty nicely. Pretty cool to get that confluence. Of course, yeah, of course. All right, awesome, man. Thanks for the feedback. Austin, welcome to the space. Anything you're looking at this open right here? We got a little bit of a choppy open, but how you feeling today?
I'm good. Thank you again for having me to speak with you guys. I'm looking for longs. I like longs, honestly. I'm looking at SPX 500. That's what I trade instead of SPY. If we hold
Yeah. What are you guys looking at today?
for a second when we started the stream, it's hard to be bearish right now, especially with the run-up yesterday, especially with the fact that we're holding Friday's high. So I like the long.
You always feel weird when you have position open the first 10 minutes of the open. Isn't that funny, right? Before I started trading with the style that I have now with Rocket Scooter, I used to wait for the market to figure out what it's doing and then trade. Now I trade in the first 5 minutes of open. It's such a strong read is your best read is the minute that volume comes through and then starts decaying, you're in. The market's committed, right? So it's like, isn't it weird to see that like the strength of what we do here is from the open, right? It's so weird to have a strategy that works so quick up front. It's not usual. Okay, so the same setup is here for QQQ, long and long to DD. That's a pretty simple setup. I almost wish I had a bigger position. I do like what I'm seeing. Now, again, I'm going to trade until volatility. UVXY hits that spot. As a matter of fact, I'm feeling a little ballsy here. It's looking great. Let's go. Oh, my thing froze. Oops. Yesterday, my graphics driver, I should probably rebooted my computer. That's okay. Give me 1 second. My graphics driver went out when I was in the middle of a video call. And then I probably should have reset my computer because it's flickering. Whoops. All right, let's load that back up. Yeah, so the idea with resilience being so actionable, that's kind of what opened those doors for me. Oh shit, it hit the button twice. Now I'm in 12. Oh well, whatever. What's the goal? Double in the first month probably is my first goal. From 5 to 10K. For a small count challenge playing somewhat aggressive, it's not terribly hard to double in the first month. It is aggressive, but I am playing double my normal risk. I normally do. So I'm doing net lick times 2 divided by margin requirement to get my position max. So we'll see. Raz is still holding strong. No bad signs today. I like what I see. Okay, so here's one thing too. Hold on. It's connecting. Okay. Let me try something real quick. Hold on, I sent a message here to my team. I love this platform. It's so good. Oh, that is so weird. Let me refresh. My candles are frozen. Give me a second, you guys. Let me reboot everything. That's better. Oh, there we go. I was sitting here watching my candles be stick. All right, good. Let's go. Resilience looks good. All right, let's take a look at some stocks today. See what we got on the scanner. By the way, new release, everybody. Down on the new release. And by the way, we're running a special. If you guys want to check out Rocket Scooter, if you've never been here before, $19.99 a month. All right, so yeah, $19.99 for 1 month. To check out the platform. It's called the Spooktacular event. How cute and clever. I invented that word. No one's ever said that before for a Halloween special. All your data feeds, everything added to that. You get access to Miro, anything that you're experiencing with your experience in the platform, go to tech support. Don't tech support here in the stream. There's nothing I can do for you, brother. They'll help you. They'll help you help out with whatever you're doing. My team has coached me that we need to all stick to our roles here. Used to, it was like, you know, Matt wears all the hats and did all the stuff with the team. You know, Rocket Scooter House, 25 employees. 25. And that's not volunteers. It's 25 employees. It's not including mods and other things. So now they're like, Matt, you gotta like stop doing it all. You can focus on what you're good at. Sit there, look sexy, show off your abs, wink at the screen, trade. Don't do tech support in your stream. Don't do whatever. Send it to us. You pay us to do it, so we'll do it. So go there if you have any questions. Spooktacular trademark, copyright restricted. Barb, I gotta charge you for that. You used my word. I'm gonna send you a bill. You owe me royalties. Speaking of royalties, y'all hear like, what was it, the Happy Birthday song? Apparently is like a copywritten song, and technically you're not supposed to sing it without paying royalties because you're singing it past whatever the limit is, 7 seconds or whatever. So every time you sing Happy Birthday, you owe somebody money. Come on, Resilience, hang in there, looking okay. Let me actually make this a little bigger. Let me turn off the monthly hedge so the scaling doesn't kick that off the chart. Right here. All right. I'm looking for it to hook through here. Supporting right here. As long as this stays positive. What are you guys doing? You break the law every year then? I know. You owe some family their 15 cents or whatever. All right, so I'd like to see us push through here. Is Forrest Gump make a return probably? No. Oh God, no. Nicole didn't look at me the same for like a whole month once I shaved my beard. I ain't gonna go through that again. Oh yeah, that's right. I need to get my camera back on now that I'm like fully committed to streaming and trading again. I shaved my beard. I started looking like my dad. I looked like I was in my 50s. Not that as a bad idea, but I think my beard makes my 40s-year-old self look younger and, you know, bringing that sexy back. And I shaved my beard, and she was just like, well, she joked around about it. We always troll each other, and she's like, I kind of want to break up with you. No offense. And I said, you know what? I would too. I don't know why you're still here. Yeah, we're losing res. I don't like it. Let's start trimming. God, every time I reset, I gotta get this shit fixed. Settings. Trading. Instant orders, placement. I hate that now. I hate that. All right. I'm gonna give 5 seconds, start trimming. Yep. Start trimming. We're losing res. Yep, I'm trimming. Let me front of the spaces real quick. Here it's back in, okay. Good call, you guys. Y'all are so smart. Y'all listen to me. Well, yeah, that's why I trim. Like, Rez is fighting. That's why I trim. I'm out. Look at that. That quick. I even made money. Look how smart you guys are. Wow, I love it. Y'all are so sharp. Yeah, fuck it. Newsflash, Adam, hold on. Resilience just goes negative. Adam, hold on. Sorry, resilience went negative. This is a gap fill or gap and go warning. So it looks like S&P is going to probably start trying to pull back. I'm keeping my eyes open here. Just close my long position. Sorry about that, sir. Keep going. It's just, and it came from the NASDAQ. So NASDAQ resilience goes negative too. It's the strength of the gap, right? We gapped up. Looks like stocks are going to pull back now. I think so for a little tiny bit. Plus we have a little bit of volatility starting to build. So I'm out. Just letting you guys know. Okay, sorry about that, Adam. My bad. Love you.
That nicely aligns with the 50-day moving average on QQQ. We came up, tagged it.
Y'all are so smart. I fucking love this group. Y'all are so smart. I'm along again right here though. Y'all are so fucking smart. Did you not see it? Green uptick. Resilience is negative. Leading indicator. I'm first one out. This is why we're going viral. These are tools that are different. Different. Now, better safe than sorry. I can get in on a better spot, and hopefully we can, right? All right, let's check out some other tickers real quick.
And to be quite honest with you guys, I've been trading for over 12 years. I've been profitable for at least the past 5 or 6.
See what we got.
So I felt like I had found my system. You know, I felt like something worked for me. And I'm not even an affiliate for Rocket Scooter yet, but I do think the platform's powerful. So I wanted to kind of put in my 2 cents here. But yeah, having that kind of confirmation and some of the indicators like hedge pressure,
that's it. Right here started trimming, right here started closing again. We don't like this, right? Even if I'm out, if it goes back to being positive, then I miss out on the trade or I jump back in with something small. It's fine. Right?
The market will just pivot where you wouldn't expect it to pivot. More often than not, that pivot typically is
we'll see.
Hedge pressure. So it's definitely helped with my day trading.
I don't think I want to short it against all the bull stuff, but I would love to see it fall. And I would love when I see days like this, take my initial scalp, whatever.
Probably still going to see some more upside, and that also
I would love to long here, and I would hit it hard.
open in a bull area.
That would be the ideal setup today, and I would hit that really hard.
Looking long now. I'm not trying to short this market. So it's just
I took a little profit. That's okay.
extra
I'm going to be cautious.
level of data because it's not just
I trust. And Res, I trust. And Res, I trust. Bull trap, bull trap.
So it's nice to have that data.
Hold on, we'll see. Bull trap, maybe. Better safe than sorry. If this goes positive, though,
Love the platform. I think what you guys
we're back.
is really awesome. And yeah, I really encourage people just to check
Thank
it
you.
out. If you've been trading for a while, just check it out. I'm sure you'll find some value.
We really appreciate that, Blake. That's really flattering. Thank you, man.
Yeah, I mean, in light of that, Blake, and before I was affiliated with Rocket Scooter, then I also traded for about 10 years, and it just adds confidence, like, to your style. Like, you can trade a certain way, and it's just nice to have that extra bit of information. I always tell someone, like, if they're interested in trying out Rocket Scooter, you don't need to change how you trade. It can add to it and just make things better, which I think is
Let's see if it goes.
What
Hold
any
on.
trader want is an additional edge that doesn't change what you already do. Pretty cool. Right now,
One thing to note though, real quick, Adam, sorry, just before we
Monthly maps are just so bullish right now. So bullish. Bull market. Bull market's back.
they go through what I classify as
Bull side strengthening, bear side strengthening.
one system to the next, trying to find what
I agree, Will. This has been like a pretty clean setup.
execute the system well enough to know
In Res, I trust. I love it. Okay, now again, it's fighting its way back up, which is good, which means I could continue to trade it if it does get to a place where I like it. That bull market is still strong. The bull market is back, you guys. You'll see that? How to read monthly maps. Let me pull that on the screen, give you a little educational lesson. Those of you that are in our group, you will know that we have this awesome trading boot camp, which, by the way, we're going to be refilming all the videos in the boot camp starting today. I'm excited about it.
yeah, like I said, just kind of adds to what you're
Cheat sheets are your best friend. You can print these out, you can frame them, you can wear them on a t-shirt, put them on your coffee cup, whatever. Or just come get them right here and open them up every morning. You can see the different things, how to analyze the resilience readings.
no pressure if you don't like it.
DD ratio readings, etc. And why was I coming here? What was I looking for? Monthly maps.
Going now over to FS. We got news here in 7 minutes. FS.
Did we? Are we bull trapping you guys? What do y'all think? Okay, let's show you this really quick. All right. These are your takeaways here. If bull zone is sloping down, bullish, bulls are accumulating over this amount of time through October 20th through expiration. If the bear side tops are sloping down, which it also is, then bears are exiting position. Short squeeze and accumulation into expiration on the 20th. Markets gonna go up. Love it. It looks good. Okay, Rez is trying to make a fight for it, and the question is, do I want to get back in with something small? Already made, what, a couple $100 from the first trade. Nothing too big. Started trimming while I could. We don't like it. Now, one may say, would I short it? And you know my answer. I don't short in bull markets. I'm going to let it pull back, and if it goes up, I'll decide if I want to hop in. If not, I can sit back. There's a lot of R&R on it, even if I just commit to the trade to let Rez fight its way out. But Nasdaq being as low as it is, Nasdaq's likely to fill its gap lower. And I agree. Plus, upside is somewhat limited because we do have a VIX boundary there, which would trigger that alert. Let's see if we're right today, folks. What do y'all think? Y'all know what I want to do. Monthly maps are so strong. Everybody and their mom on Twitter is talking about the pullback morning downside. Dude, I'm telling you, monthly maps do not lie. This is Wall Street's position. This is it. The bull market is back. Let's make like an annoying Babe Ruth post so I can tell people like I nailed it. We'll just see. Bull. Ugh. Bull market.
Well, the overnight high in the ES is going to be kind of a big deal. I do a lot of futures trading, primarily my main space, and if we can.
This is the world's worst exclamation points. I'll tell you what. Okay. I want to make this bigger. That might actually make it easier. It's.
Just like what Ashton said just a moment ago, with a little bit of a flip, you know they're seeing it and watching those high edges and saying, hey, listen, I'm going to cover if I'm long. And, you know, we'll just have to see. I hate to punt, but we really are in a wait and see pattern. We just have to be the early adopters.
I love Anne Marie. She's awesome. Y'all can hear her on the spaces. She's so smart at futures. Bear weakening.
Yeah, there's nothing wrong with that sentiment at all. I mean, I think, and we stress it a lot in these spaces, but I think, and we said it before, where if you don't feel comfortable in a trade and the setup's not there, then don't be forced to take it. I think that's a novice mistake some people make, where they're new to trading. They think every single day I gotta trade because the market's open and I need to make money.
God, I need to get my tablet turned back on. I forgot to turn my tablet on. Should I just for shits and giggles? I know I don't short. If I were to throw one contract short, just to show the trade, just for fun, just to scalp it through. Nah, do it. Whatever. Whatever. I don't. This is not. Don't be like Matt. You shorted in a bull market. Don't do it. I'm just doing it just to show. And it's one micro. It's not gonna mean anything. I would never do this normally. I'm just gonna do it one. That way it's gonna be like a $20 thing. Watch resilience go positive. Squeeze my $10. can't believe I'm losing $10.
going on Xbox Game Pass next year. General Motors has
It'd just be funny.
operations, around 4,300 employees in Canada for GM.
I'm very like
Went on strike this morning. We also
my confidence is very low. That's why I just put one micro. Yeah.
revenue is a beat. They raised their forecasts as well. The CFO
Ashton already on it too, posting the same thing.
interest rates and the reason the stock has struggled over the last couple months. He also added that they're studying the impact of weight loss drugs like Wegovy, like
I want to be
Mounjaro,
long
and
this
all
this thing
other
though.
but they're not seeing anything in the numbers at all. That kind of goes against what Walmart was saying that they were starting to see.
And it's back to being positive.
Happen. There's also a rumor around Truist, TFC, that they're looking to sell their insurance business to a PE firm for around $10
Yeah.
billion as well. So that stock
No way.
beginning to see Grinders Guild
Dang it, I want my $10 back.
3-year contract.
News coming soon. Yeah. That's being fun. No, I would never short a bull market. Let's go back to here. What do we got coming out?
Unity Software announced their CEO and board chairman is stepping down from his role immediately at the company. So yeah, I know we like to get the news quick there, so I didn't try and explain it. But yeah, it's a lot of the news we got going on.
Appreciate that, man. Real quick before the news, guys, just a reminder, if you're listening right now, if you could open up your app and drop a follow to everyone up here.
Redbook, also inventories, sell trends.
We vetted. These are great accounts you're going to want
See,
on your timeline
there
here.
it goes.
So make sure you drop them a quick follow. All right, we got 1 minute before the news here. Spy is trying to punch up as well, so it's kind of interesting.
Yeah, we got the news coming through.
Then before we let this news disseminate, if there's any stocks that you guys want to take a look at or want us to take a look at on Rocket Scooter, we're going to do a lightning round in a few minutes here. So just pop open the app, pop open the space, hit the bottom right hand corner, you'll see a little speech bubble, and drop the ticker name that you guys want us to look at. We'll do a lightning round in a few minutes and get the thoughts.
My initial inclination was right.
Yes,
Resilience back to being positive now. Yeah, went back right up. So market's looking solid.
just gonna say resilience spiked here off the back of that news.
Yep.
The U.S. wholesale coming in at 1.8 over 0.4 expected. So nice little beat there, and we are kind of
Yeah,
comfortable.
1 point on wholesales. Yeah.
Matt, real quick, how do you read this news? 'Cause I know you're
Oh yeah, it's good.
first in macro.
I mean, it's pretty good. You know, you guys are looking at the inventory news, right? Or the wholesales? Oh, the month-over-month sales. Yeah, I mean, it's data's looking good. It came across beating expectations, actually the highest it's been in a while. I think it's pretty decent news. And I mean, the market's pre-pricing in this bull market. I think it's funny because I just made a tweet, and I noticed Ashton made the same exact tweet. Coincidentally, we both are analyzing those monthly maps this morning, and it's just showing that greater bull market. And I love walking in on Twitter and seeing everybody that's been expecting, you know, their long-term puts to start paying off, and the very bearish mentality, right? Who knows why, but there's a lot of people out there, and they're ready to like watch this market fall. There's 2 or 3 green days. Okay, time to short this and let it go. And we wake up this morning, and Rocket Scooter Landscape shows the market is strong and bullish through October 20th, monthly expiration. So either traders know something we don't, but this is not a fluke. This isn't a short squeeze in a bear market. This is a return to bull market. I think we have topped for the year, and I think we've bottomed for the year, to be honest. I think this last pullback is probably as low as it's going to go. I don't think we're going to sell off anymore. Volatility's in decay. I mean, market's looking great. All good news is good news at this point, and bad news is good news at this point. I think that's how the market's treating anything right now. You know, anything that's bad news for the stock market, the Fed is going to slow their roll, right? The afterburners have come down a little bit. That's good, right? The Fed can't induce a recession with the high inflationary, problem. You have stagflation. They'd have to bail us out if the market crashed from here, and that would be bigger problems for them. They want QT, right? Not QE. So the Fed's not going to crash the stock market. So bad news is good news, and right now, good news is also good news because everyone out there is looking for a reason to get in on this bull run they missed, right? And all the data is looking good. So I was very optimistic beginning of the year. The Fitch downgrade was what catalyzed the turnaround and shattered his monthly maps for a couple months. But I mean, it's Fitch, and it was not that bad of a downgrade. It was a downgrade. But at the end of the day, the economic data has been coming through slightly good, and that soft landing Powell's talking about is still kind of on the table. All the data is looking great. GDP growth, and employment data, wages are coming down, all the good stuff is there, and CPI is the big thing coming in for Thursday. So we'll see how the inflation numbers look. In general, I mean, I'm confident in the economy more so than the stock market, but the stock market is certainly not looking bearish whatsoever. It just looks bullish and slightly jiggly. Get jiggly with it. No.
Alright. Yeah, we don't have a bull market, we don't have a bear market, everyone. We have a jiggly market.
Yeah.
That's a first for me.
And it moves exactly how you think jiggly would move, just you know, just like that.
That was a great sound effect. I wish I recorded that. So yeah, jiggly market here, guys. Mander, I want to kick it to you real quick because I know you were looking to try to cop it along. I kept my
Delete
long,
this.
I trimmed and got back.
Wish I would have kept my long too, right? Oh well.
Happy about wondering if you were able to get in or if you were waiting more for like that downside test.
I was waiting for the downside test.
Yeah, not chasing any long here. I think
That's not good.
little breakover from market highs now.
Yeah, it's about to hit DD ban. It's right on there. It's 10 points away anyways. Yeah, this is bulls on bottom. I would call out fully, completely right here. If I was in a trade, I would X everything right now. Good call, good call, good call. Good call, everybody. This is exactly what I would do. I would trim everything right here.
30 minutes or so.
Yeah, and on the back of you saying that, I actually just
All right, let me open this up
nice
really quick.
little chunk of change, 45% gain.
There you go. There you go.
Austin, I see your hand up. What's bigger, man?
No, I was just saying, good stuff on the longs. I gagged from 43, 42.
I'm gonna log out, log back in.
From the open, we really didn't get any bearish momentum. So everybody that was listening on here, there was no strong bearish sentiment in our
Hold on one second.
or in price action. So it's really tough because I know a lot of guys that were waiting for a short today. It's like, no, just either wait for a long, maybe some guys.
Can we relog in here?
One of the mornings where you
Cool.
can see the sellers were
I just logged out, log back in really quick. There we go.
makes sense. So good job, everybody.
They reboot my PC.
Agree. The only preface I want to say, just to be fair, is that we did have a news.
My graphics drivers hate me today.
So, to be
That's what I was gonna ask.
I mean, I run 8 monitors on this machine.
Or is it the housing news? Because I heard somebody mention housing news, but I can't find anything.
yeah, we had housing news. We had
Something.
home sales.
Home sales, okay.
Yeah, home sales came in 1.8. Expected was 0.4. So pretty decent beat.
Love it.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay. Where's
Showed
the
it.
market
I showed it stayed committed, but yeah, it's okay.
So I personally, this goes for everyone in the space, and this isn't sponsored or anything. Financialjuice.com, great resource to use.
I'll take a little bit of gain over that. So here, anytime volatility can be present, I usually trim early. I would trim early right here. I wouldn't be in a trade further. This is it. This is our rule. Everybody knows bulls on bottom rule.
I just wanted to highlight a couple levels here. You guys did get long NASDAQ or S&P. The KQQ is coming into its anchored VWAP. Austin, I know you use some anchored VWAP, man. It's one of my favorite tools as well. From the July high. So could see some supply here. We're just peeking our head above the 50-day moving average coming into the anchored VWAP from the July high. So yeah, I'm not expecting us just to blast through this rocket ship. Could definitely see some sort of stalling and some consolidation here. On the S&P, we are above the 20-day moving average. We haven't been above the 20-day moving average since September.
Mike Jones, I'll advise you to learn a little bit about the stock market. Rocket Scooter doesn't control the candles, you numbskull. Jesus Christ, I don't control the stock market. This is random what people do. We just read it. It just reads the market. I wish that I could create a trading platform that could control the market and smooth it out for you. But the point is that you know where your confidence is right or wrong, you bail. Candles, I can't change the stock market, my friend. Wish I could. Stock market changes its mind a lot. But there's nothing you can do about it. Nothing anyone can do about that. Out the door, you can rewind to the beginning of the stream and see exactly what I drew is exactly what played out. Didn't change my mind there. I said, I'm longing here, I'm longing there, and I'm trading to this green line here, putting a stop. I drew that like 4 times. And then now I said I would trade and get everything out here. Y'all are silly. You gotta learn how trading works. To the average trader, to the new trader, they think that you can apply any system to trading, and the system will be able to guess every trade at every point in time and get it right all the time. Stock market's going to behave an area where you're very confident or an area where you're not confident at all. When your confidence is high, you bet big, and your confidence is low, you bet small. My confidence got low, so I bet small. I might have missed on a tiny little move here, but my confidence is still pretty low from here. I mean, my confidence is still medium to medium low. I'm still out. We're going to change the stock market. We're going to make it a tool that's going to do anything. Resilience is nice and strong. From this moment in time, it's strong. Now it's stronger. Yeah. You just got to learn how to trade. Trading is not about picking the right direction, which is what you're saying. I mean, no need to raise rates. Yeah. Your job as a trader is to bet at places where you want to bet from. And I haven't got the full trade that I wanted. I want to be here at these places. This is where I really want to look. Took my long here. It was chopping around. I closed out before a news event. We always close out for a news event, and the news event went up. It's just how it is. And that's what I'm thinking of now here. But I would say dedicate some time to learning what we teach. This is UVXY rule. A cat reveal? I know, I gotta show a picture of him. I'm about to do lightning round. Yeah, like I just traded and I jokingly shorted and closed it out before the event. That's it. But so far, what's kind of neat is you just got to learn how to do it. Give me 30 seconds, yeah.
Alright, so guys, if you don't know, and I need a sound effect, maybe like whoosh, lightning round or something.
I mean, like, here, look. This is like literally the moment the market opened, I drew this. Look, just look on the screen. I drew that. Nobody's changing their mind. That's the trade plan. I just didn't feel confident enough to take it, right? So I went to my own stream to show you guys. So we're not changing our mind. These aren't changing the market's mind. These are actually just pivoting and waging my confidence against how much I want to bet. Love it. Okay, let's go. My bad. Lightning round. All right. Toss him at me, man. Let's go. So lightning round. He's gonna give me how many do you do? 10, right?
Yeah, we do 10.
Okay, he's gonna throw 10 random tickers at me, and I'm gonna show you. So what we do in Rocket Scooter, just letting you know, the liquidity map mixed with a couple other tools here allow me to see large pivots based on where the options landscape is. We take all the new unusual activity, order flow, the things people have been doing in the last 5 years, and we take it to a whole new level. So I'm going to spit out a trade plan with key supports and resistances. So I'm going to make an entire trade plan, risk, reward, stop loss, everything in about 10 seconds, and throw random tickers at me for each one of them. So that's what we're doing. If you go to I shared at the top, I know Ashton, before Ashton's tweet, there's a link to the stream. If you want to see what I'm doing live while I'm drawing on the screen, you can go there and click and watch while I do it. So I'll read it out to you. Okay, let's go.
All right, first one is going to be go.
I didn't hear you. Adam, you're cutting out.
Can anyone else hear me?
I can hear you now. What is it?
Okay, cool. Neo, N-I-O.
Neo. Okay, let's go. You had that robot sound for half a second. In the future, don't throw me penny stocks. I don't like to analyze penny stocks. Meaner version on Neo, kind of stuck in the middle. Nothing from that, not nearly actionable, but trending up with the rest of the market. All right, nothing less than 10 bucks. Let's go. PLTR. All right, PLTR is a bull long up. Now it is a little open in the market, so a little late in the market I wouldn't have taken this, but hedge pressure 17, bull long up. Those all three signs pointing up. If the market filled the gap, I would have longed right at the gap fill at 17 with positive resilience like this morning and traded it up with a dive back in at 17. I would have longed again and built a position for the long side. And probably traded, as long as we're supporting open and higher now, it's going to continue to go up. We should do this before the moves, actually. We should lightning round like earlier, by the way. Notes. Netflix, hold on, let me load it up really quick. Netflix, so we open what's called a BLND. So Netflix has support at 385 hedge pressure. This is what we're seeing. It tried to break and fail and actually came back through and held. So I think Netflix is a really strong actionability here from 385. As long as the rest of the market keeps going up, it's nice, nice little trend to the upside. Again, all things are looking up. WMT, 1 second. Okay, Walmart. Again, a lot of these have upside. A lot of these stocks are going to retrace the last downside wave that we've seen. Walmart is the same exact trade plan as we had. What was it? Palantir 2 times ago. Bull long up, market gapped up, filled the gap. I would have longed right at the gap fill, just like I normally would do. 155.8 support with 155 hedge pressure support. Again, all stocks are in bull territory, bull zone, looking great. Most of these would have been long, straight up, long out the door, long in the gap fill. Hedge support, 155. All pointing up. Amazon. Strong days.
Yeah, all these are looking pretty good.
Hold on 1 second. Exactly the same setup. Gapped up, fill the gap, but longed in the gap fill with the BLU positive hedge pressure 124, or positive resilience hedge pressure 124. Everything looking good on that one. Again, they're all the same. It's so crazy. Market's just all trading in tandem. QQQ. Yeah, they're all very much the same. Bull long up, QQQ, the exact same setup. We gapped up and filled the gap to the downside. I would have longed the gap fill with resilience being positive and 366 hedge pressure support. Boeing, all right. So all the stocks pretty much look really good. Boeing, same exact, it's BSU, but not too terribly different. Hold on 1 second. Let me load it up. So now Boeing's a little different. We're below hedge pressure. So yeah, you're right. Slightly different. 192.5 would be resistance today, and about 190 would likely be support. And again, Boeing falls down, fills its gap, or almost fills its gap, and then comes back to the middle of the range. It supports the bull side. Anytime bull side is approached, I usually will utilize, so it should be open in the bull side. The DD ratio is being gauged for there being support there. So DD ratio being 97% of the market cap is maintaining a bull zone. So I would usually make a bet that Boeing does the same. So you're sandwiched between 190 and 192.5 today for Boeing. This would be selling call credit spreads above 192.5, or selling a put credit spread below 188. Ash those are hard. He knows what I'm talking about. And DD band touched everybody. That's the end of the day. Tesla. Okay. And by the way, guys, this is not trading advice. This is just me blasting out what I would have done at the open of the day. So I'm trying to simulate when market opened up what I would have done. Now, again, Adam, we should do this before the moves. It's more impressive to do it that way instead of after the move, because it's better to guess. So we should do lightning round literally 5 minutes in. Okay. Tesla, because it's easy to say it went up and in hindsight, right? Okay. Tesla, bull long up, same thing, same exact setup as all the other ones. 257.5 hedge pressure support with the stop slightly below. I would have longed right when it tried to fill the gap to the downside. With positive resilience. Same setup across the board. Pfizer? Okay, hold on 1 second. All right, hold on, PFE. All right. Pfizer. Oh, okay. Yeah, this one is different. Okay. So sometimes you're going to get a stock that's not bullish or bearish, right? If Pfizer falls in that category, when they call them mean reversions, right? You're kind of stuck between bear and bull zones. Mostly they call liquidity pockets. Multiple names for it. Pfizer would have been not actionable right out the door. I don't usually trade mean reverting stocks. I usually sit out on them. They're not going to be directional. And then I need a reason to jump on them. With 33.25 hedge pressure, Pfizer took a little pop up to try to break that. I would have probably just avoided it from the day to begin with, and I wouldn't be chasing it from here. I'd just be sitting, letting it do its thing. Usually I need a stock to be, bull zones for me to want to be bullish or pressing through a bear zone. But once you're stuck in the middle, it kind of likes the middle more so than it likes to move. It's jiggly. All right, guys, that's it. That's it for the day. I probably made like $100. Not too much, but that's it. DD band almost tapped. We're almost there. That's it. All right, you guys, what do y'all think? Nice trade. Yeah, I'm gonna call it for today. Oh, you guys are throwing tickers at me too? Oh, lightning round is what we do on the spaces. Sorry about that. They're all the same. Anytime you gap up and fill the gap and positive resilience is there and all the stocks are the S&P is trading up, all the stocks in the S&P I tend to take. I can long, like stocks I like to play in the redistribution zone. Now, this resilience is predicting the S&P's move, not necessarily predicting the AMD's move, but I tend to think that more often than not, without a catalyst, stocks are going to be tethered to the index. So all of these bull long ups, when it falls to there, I can always long there, stop there. I can always take a long there as well. They look exactly the same. Walmart, we did Walmart earlier. Baba. Again, longing it open like it down the S&P. That's pretty much it. Long, long, stop, long again. I would do that every time.
Yeah, based on everything we've talked about this morning,
JP Morgan. Okay, a couple more.
Probably be a little ballsy.
Yeah, I think it would just be like a completely forced trade, and the longer that we're all trading, the less likely we're to put on a forced trade, but we all do it from time to time. And if we can acknowledge the fact that it may in fact be a forced trade, it's probably a forced trade. So
yeah, I mean, like I said earlier, there's nothing wrong with not trading, and I like to say that in every space, in one way or another, because I know we all talk about trading, and obviously some people make money and whatever, and you'll see posts on X about people like, I made a 5,000% gain. You're a loser. You didn't make any money.
JP Morgan would have not been actionable except for bull zone to hedge pressure. Hedge pressure break, I wouldn't have chased this one either. This one have not given me a signal to trade. I'd be in one more. All right, everybody, hit up that spooktacular coupon. If you want to check us out for...
a lot of people try to catch a falling knife, or I don't know what the reverse is to the upside, but you don't have to.
We're a single month.
Anybody, just trying to catch a move, and catch the tippy top or the bottom.
Check that out. $19.99. You can come and try the entire program. Be really fun. Love to have you there. IWM, same as everything else. Having a longed out the door. Positive resilience. Russell resilience, very positive, 64. There you guys, let's call it. Easy day to read. Super easy. I trimmed my position a little early with the profit, but that's okay. Profit's profit. Hitting upper DD band S&P right now, it's the end of the day. For the most part, end of the trading day. Volatility's likely to come up. I would exit everything here. I wouldn't be, if I was in a trade still, I wouldn't be trying to short this. I think I would just walk away and call it a day. It's 3 winning days in a row. I'm pretty excited. Three winning days?
Yeah, same for me. I kind of like Tesla.
It's been good.
Breaking out, it does look really good. I will say,
Market's been looking really solid. All right, guys, make sure you check out the boot camp's going to be continuing. It's video refilming starting today. We'll be refilming all of our videos with the new platform look and all the stuff inside the platform. Really excited to be doing that. Been kind of a long time coming. We're going to consolidate all our videos, make them easier to follow and shorter and sweeter. So we'd love for y'all to check it out. Make sure you hit that Spooktacular coupon, 20 bucks for a month. That's it. You can check us out and see what it is we're all about, and then come learn trading for 20 bucks. You'll learn so much. That's going to spin, I promise. All right. We'll see y'all later.